This is the first rule of any information system. Garbage in, garbage out. For years, we assumed garbage in meant bad data. But what if we were wrong? In AI systems, the most dangerous garbage might not be in your database. It might be in the prompts and questions users ask. And if you're a CTO watching your promising AI systems fail spectacularly when well-meaning but uninformed executives use them in the real world, this is exactly what's killing your ROI. Here's what I hear from every head of innovation. The demo worked perfectly. When the board tried it, they asked vague questions and got useless answers. Sound familiar? Today, we're solving the vocabulary problem that makes executives lose confidence in AI and costs you credibility when it matters most. I'm Richard Walker from Lucidate. Welcome back to stage 6 of our 7-part journey building production-ready AI agents. We spent 5 videos adding layers of resilience to what started as naïve RAG, simple but fundamentally brittle. Last time, we built adaptive resilience, allowing our agents to intelligently shift its grading standards to optimize available information. But here's what 90% of implementations miss. That only works if the right information is prompted for in the first place. The real challenge is bridging what I call the chasm of intent. And if you're implementing AI in financial services, this is where many agentic applications break down. On one side, we have humans who speak in abstractions, context, and business language. On the other, we have machines that need precise, executable instructions. Don't make AI systems just guess what users mean. When AI systems guess wrong, which they're prone to do with executive level queries, your entire AI initiative looks amateurish. So, how do we build a bridge across that chasm? We teach the agent to stop, recognize ambiguity in the user's query, and rewrite it into something it can actually execute. This is query transformation, and in the next few minutes, I'll show you the exact technique that prevents your AI demos from failing when it matters most. Let me show you exactly what happens when well-meaning executives interact with AI systems. I'm going to feed our agent an intentionally vague query. Discuss agentic system impacts. This is classic executive speak, the kind of question that makes CTOs cringe because, well, they know what's coming next. If you've ever had to explain to your board why the AI proof of concept failed, you'll recognize this exact scenario. And there it is. Our agent tried everything we've built so far. It lowered its threshold, it looked again, but the initial retrieval was just too poor. It's stuck. Your teams have seen this exact failure pattern. The old system was dead in the water. But this is stage 6. The agent now activates its query rewriting protocol. Watch this transformation. Provide comprehensive analysis of AI agent adoption challenges, implementation strategies, and measurable business impact in financial risk management, including regulatory considerations and competitive advantages. That's the bridge across the chasm. The agent didn't just give up, it clarified its own mission. This isn't just about better answers, it's about executive confidence in your AI systems. When your CEO can ask natural questions and get intelligent responses, your AI initiative goes from interesting pilot to strategic advantage. Now it loops all the way back to the beginning to try again with its own much better question. And with a precise question, it gets precise results. It finds the right documents, passes all the quality checks, and delivers the valuable answer we wanted all along. This is the kind of reliability your stakeholders expect from production AI systems. What you just saw is one of the most important frontiers in AI, query transformation. There are multiple approaches: step-back prompting for highly technical questions, hide, which creates hypothetical answers to guide retrieval, and what we used here, contextual query expansion with intent clarification. For the developers watching, this combines several prompt engineering techniques: step-back prompting for content expansion, chain of thought reasoning for query decomposition, and persona prompting to simulate domain expertise. The full implementation is in our GitHub repo. Remember in video 3 when we solved the hallucination problem? This builds on that foundation, creating a system that not only retrieves accurate information, but understands what you're actually asking for. But here's the next challenge, and if you're ahead of innovation, you've probably hit this wall already. What if the problem isn't the question, but the tool being used is? Vector search is great for semantic similarity, but sometimes a simple keyword search is better. Other times you need SQL queries. Other times you need real-time web data. In our final video, we address this head-on. We evolve our single adaptive agent into a multi-agent system, a team of specialists, each with different tools and expertise. We'll build the orchestrator that chooses the right agent for the right job. That's the final step from a resilient system to a truly intelligent one. Now, I'd love to hear from you. In your organization, what's the most frustratingly vague question that your executives ask of your AI systems? The kind that makes your demos fail in front of the people who, well, matter most. Drop it in the comments and I'll show you exactly how query transformation would handle it. If building AI that can navigate executive ambiguity is a priority for you, and if you need to show tangible ROI to your board, hit that like button and subscribe now so you don't miss the finale, where we build a full multi-agent orchestration system. And for those ready to implement this immediately, Managing Director and CEO level members of Lucidate get the complete LangGraph code for this query transformation agent and the entire application in our private GitHub repo. The link is in the description. I'm Richard Walker from Lucidate. Don't just build AI that answers questions, build AI that understands them first. I'll see you in the next video, where we orchestrate multiple specialist agents into one intelligent system.